Hi, I'm Nick. I'm the co-founder and CEO of PocketList, and I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of PocketList Pro as it stands on Tuesday, March the 2nd, 2021. We update the app and the products as frequently as we can, and so we'll try to keep these recordings fresh to show you new features as they roll out. So to start off, we're going to log in. You can log in with a Gmail account or a G Suite account, or you can continue with any email address. And when you put an email address in, we'll send you what's called a magic link. A magic link is a one-time password that goes to your email inbox and lets you log in without a password. If you don't see it, check your spam box, but it should go straight to your inbox. All right, I've just opened up that email, and here I am in the homepage of PocketList Pro. Now, by default, I land in the properties page, and the properties page shows a list of all the properties that I have entered into PocketList that I've claimed as a property manager or landlord in PocketList. And we're going to go one by one down the side here in the navigation. So the top thing is properties page, which is what we're looking at right now. You can also click on units. And when you click on units, it'll show you a list of all your units on PocketList, regardless of what property it's at. And you can also go to the Teams page. Now, Teams is a great feature, but it's for subscribers to our monthly subscription only. And it allows you to invite 2 or more people from your team without limit to share a unified view of all of your leasing activity on PocketList. It's really handy if you have a leasing agent or property manager that's going on vacation. And it lets you all kind of share a unified view into all of your chats with potential new tenants. So let's go in. I'm going to look at a specific property. So we've got a property called Culver City Condos, and I'm going to click into that. And when I click into Culver City Condos, I see a list of all of the units that are at this property. Culver City Condos, 4082 Overland Avenue. And at the top, we see units that have new messages on them. And down below, we have other units that may or may not be on the market, but they don't have new messages on them. A new feature we have that's also for paid customers is called Price Insights, and I want to show you that really quickly. It's really exciting. So you'll notice here on Unit B, when I go over here on the right-hand side, we've got the price. It says it's $1,800 a month, and a little red indicator that says the 5th percentile. Now, what's that about? If I click on this, it'll show me that based on the beds and baths configuration of my unit, PocketList is comparing to the nearest 100 units with the same beds, baths, and square footage configuration as my unit, and warning me that my unit might be priced too low. I'm in the 5th percentile. And if I hover over these other percentile buckets, it'll give me suggestions on how to price my unit. So for example, for a 2-bed, 1-bath in Culver City, if I changed my price to the 86th percentile, that would be roughly $2,170 a month. And all I have to do to quickly set it at that price is click this button and hit Save Changes. And now that unit has immediately been, its price has been immediately changed. Now, anytime you're over the 80th percentile or under the 20th percentile, we'll just give you this red warning. If it's between 20 and 80, it'll be gray, like Unit A, which looks like it's squarely in the 50th percentile. And when I click on that, I can change it according to these percentile buckets. Or if I go into the unit itself, I can change the price. I can click Edit Price, and let's say I want to up it to $22.95 and hit Confirm. And now that price has been updated and the percentile adjustment has been recalculated as well. And I can go down to, let's say, $16.95, hit Confirm, and now I've gone below into the 0th percentile. So let's also take a look at the chats on Unit A and on how to manage the content on Unit A. So when I click on a unit, this is Unit A at that same property, 4082 Overland Avenue. And in this left column, I get all of the information about that vacancy. I can change its status to off the market, and immediately that unit will be taken off the market on PocketList. It's as easy as that. Or if it's already on the market, I can change it to on the market, and it'll be instantly marketed on the platform to our nearly 70,000 renters in LA and Orange County. Right below that, we have this available button, and it says that the unit's available on April 15th. That's what it will reflect on the platform. And I can click on that, and we've got this new kind of smarter way of changing the availability date. I can go in and I can either type or select a new date, change the availability to yesterday, March 1st, or I get these quick selections that pick the 1st and 15th of next month and the month after, so that I can quickly click it once and change the availability date that way. I also have unit details. Maybe this is a three bedroom, 1.5 bath. I can just type that in and click Save Changes. Also, if I choose to change the price, I can do it here. I can add photos or download photos that are already on PocketList here. But let's get into the meat of the interface, and that is chatting with renters. So if I click on Pam L is a renter that has sent me a message in PocketList, and I can respond by clicking in the bottom right-hand corner, this little input field, and I can say, "Hi Pam, I am happy to show the place this afternoon." And as soon as I hit enter or press the send button, I will that message will be sent to Pam either as a push notification if she's an iOS user, or via email if she's a web user. And I can carry on with my conversation with Pam, ask her pre-screening questions, set up viewings, etc. straight through here. I want to show you another use case. There's another lead named Clark, and this is a conversation that's been going on between Clark and Ashley. These gray bubbles are Ashley, who's one of my coworkers. Now, maybe Ashley's off today, and I can say, "Hi, I'm taking over for Ashley today." And you'll notice my bubble is a lighter gray color, and all of my company's communications are on the right side. All the purple bubbles from Clark are messages from the renter, Clark. So this is how we hand off conversations and collaborate as a team when addressing the needs of a potential tenant. All of these people in this center column are leads that have either sent me a direct message or saved my unit to their favorites list, and I can communicate with them without limits through PocketList Pro. Chatting with renters is free, and again, the team inbox is a paid feature for paying customers. That's more or less it. An optimization that's coming soon is the ability to set a specific team member as the point of contact for a specific property. That should be rolling out soon. In the meantime, if you have questions, please reach out to me or to Ashley, our head of landlord success. We're here to answer your questions and help you make the decision to market your units on PocketList. Thanks, and have a great day.